Do not weep, babe, for war is kind, because your father tumbles in the yellow trenches, raged at his breast, gulped and died. Do not weep. War is kind. War is not exclusively human invention. Science fiction has recounted the countless wars between mankind and its inhuman invaders. Howard Phillips Lovecraft himself hinted at the ancient, awesome clashes of the beings that had colonized Earth in the early days of the planet. Carter spoke of the clashes of Migo and the great race of Yith, the imprisonment of the indigenous flying polyps in the lightless basalt towers of Placotus. Of the elder things, those insatiable scientific minds that had made their homes in the ocean floors of Earth before finally being destroyed by their Shoggoth slaves. The Zothian, Cthulhu's people, also made Earth their home. And while we cannot hope to know the true intent behind settling dear old Earth, we know that they were fierce and territorial. In his short story, At the Mountains of Madness, Lovecraft hints at the Zothian-Yithian War. Can only dare imagine the scale of this conflict, or the manner in which it was enacted. We know, however, this. Genocide and calculated slaughter are not our own exclusive invention. All intelligent beings can harbor hate for themselves and for each other. The Sinking City is the story of this legacy of hate, the story of the final days of the Yithian-Zothian War, of R'lyeh and Placotus and early Earth quaking under the thunder of their guns.